women's rights. So, bakit po natin dinagdagan ng bawal bastos ordinance sa Quezon City considering na may Safe Spaces Act na rin?
Actually, baliktad po. Nauna po ang Quezon City sa pagpasa po ng bawal bastos ordinance. Tsaka na lang po sumunod ang national government. Ours was passed in 2016 and the national government act was passed in 2019. No? And it's because here in Quezon City, I personally am a strong advocate for gender equality and gender rights. And alam natin na isa sa mga nagiging problema at nagiging sagabal sa pagkakapantay-pantay ng mga kababaihan at kalalakihan at sa kaligtasan ng ating kababaihan is talagang yung sexual harassment, yung mga pambabastos na ginagawa sa kanila like catcalling for example, o kaya yung pagsususut-sut sa kanila, o kaya yung mga lewd remarks na ginagawa sa kanila. No, all of these things are prohibited in our bawal bastos ordinance as they are in the national law as well.
May kulong na parusa din po ba ito?
Yes, syempre mas malaki ang parusa sa national government act no, sa paglabag doon kasi dito may limitations na ayon doon sa local government code pero may kakibat din pong parusa. The maximum that we can give is also ipinapataw din po natin yan.
Gagawin ng City LG since may ordinance po kayo na
Well, I think that there are enough women's organizations already that have taken action. So the city government will no longer duplicate what has already been done. No?
Pero kung sabi ng local government natin
Well, I have already made a statement. Probably one of the first to have made a statement with regards to that act. And the city council has already made a statement.
Okay, so
Nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Congressman Bong?
Hindi pa po kami nag-uusap ng personal.